Hi, Jack. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine too.
How do you spend your leisure time?
I spend my leisure time mostly reading books or watching TV. However, sometimes like to go walk or visit a friend in my free time.
Is there anything particular you like to do in your free time?
Well, I would say reading a book. I like to sit in a quiet place with a book and hope nobody interrupts me until I finish the book.
Do you enjoy indoor or outdoor activities more in your free time?
Well, it actually depends on the weather. If it's nice and warm outside, I'd go out for a walk or visit a friend. Whereas if it's cold or raining outside, I'd rather stay home and read a nice book or watch a movie or maybe a TV show.
Do you enjoy your leisure time now more than you did as a child?
In a way, I think I enjoy it more now. I don't have much free time now like in my childhood. So now whenever there is some free time, I like to make the most of it.
What are some common activities people do in their free time? In your country?
Well, I believe most of the people in Bangladesh enjoy spending their free time with their friends and family, doing a number of different indoor and outdoor activities. Some people enjoy going for a walk. Some others like running or cycling in their spare time. Some people enjoy shopping or some like going for a movie. Some people spend their leisure on gardening, reading books, or watching TV.
Is it important for people to relax in their leisure time?
Yes, it is. People nowadays live a very busy and stressful life and get a little spare time. I, therefore, believe it's very important for them to relax in their leisure time. Relaxation helps remove stress.
How should students spend their free time?
Well, although students may have a little more free time than many other people, they need to utilize their spare time in a productive way. As student life is one of the most important phases in human life, they, of course, need to relax, but they should also try to read more or do some extracurricular activities, or learn some additional skills in their free time.
Do you think people should do something creative or productive in their leisure time?
Yes, I do. It's certainly important for people to relax in their leisure time. But I believe they should also do something creative or productive, such as gardening when they have enough free time.
Thanks for taking the time to talk with me.
You are most welcome. Bye. See you soon.
Bye. Take care of your health.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.